it's really starting to look now like we really aren't going to pull this off. Copenhagen isn't making anybody feel that more secure that, you know, politicians and humanity is going to step up to the plate, reduce our emissions, and move on. So if the planet gets too hot, what are we going to do? 10 years from now, the planet has warmed significantly. We're seeing crop failures or other really severe consequences. We need to do something about it. We may have to choose Plan B. Plan B is things like geoengineering, to try to solve global warming by means other than just reducing human influence on global warming, such as seeding the stratosphere with sulfate aerosols, putting big ships out in the ocean, putting mist up and clouding the ocean, causing more reflection, putting orbiting mirrors. These kinds of wholesale alterations of Earth systems by geoengineering are really an unknown factor. We could induce harm on this planet that is much worse than what we already have going on with global warming. It's time for Earth scientists and environmental scientists to take on their new responsibility seriously with a code of ethics that describes how we plan to avoid making bad advice that gets taken into play in solving Earth problems with even worse types of Earth system changes. So we've proposed an oath for Earth and environmental scientists that we hope will improve the feeling of responsibility that Earth and environmental scientists feel over giving advice for altering the planet. I vow to always advise against any intervention into the functioning of Earth systems that I believe might harm humanity, the biosphere, the atmosphere, or any other Earth systems upon which our well-being depends. That we always make clear to the public that any alteration of Earth systems is inherently risky because we don't understand Earth systems fully. And finally, that we ensure and guarantee that whatever advice we give for the benefit of for all of humanity, free of distortion and bias.